Well, hello, and welcome back to Shane's Hobby Shop. Today, we got another unboxing to do. Yeah, that's right, got another box. I actually bought two different things on Amazon, and they was both fulfilled and shipped by Amazon, so they came in one box. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it up to see what it is. I got some packing. For Mom, I got her a little oscillating desk fan. I'll show you what this here is in a second. And for me, a heating pad. Alright, well then, let's put these to the side here. This heating pad is actually going to be pretty nice for me and for Mom if she needs it. You can actually use this moist or wet. There's a little sponge on the inside that will, you can actually take apart and, well, not take apart, but open it up and get wet and put it back in the pad and do some moist heating. Pretty good size. You can take this right here, let's cover off. You can wash it whenever it gets a little bit too messy. Go ahead and wash it. Throw it in the washing machine, not a problem. But one thing I like about it, like I said, the little pad on the inside. Get this wet, put it back in here, turn it back on, and you got moist heating. Pad itself comes with some instructional and guess what we call it. Important safety instructions. It says do not destroy, but yet it's made on here, so you can't destroy it. Well, you probably can, but you don't want to. Little on and off switch. Temperature goes from warm, low, medium, and high. Very nice. Is from fit first. Got you a nice long plug on it. Oh yeah, pretty good sized plug. Yeah. I'm going to use this today because I actually really need it. I got a sore muscle, that's why I got this for me. Alright, all I got to do is put it back together, which I will do later off camera. Let's set this to the side. The next one is a little gift for Mom, a little desk oscillating fan. This is actually pretty cool. Little bitty guy. Now, a couple of things reason why I got this. One, it comes with a computer USB port on it. You can actually plug it into your computer, or I had a little adapter here somewhere, but you can actually get adapters. I think here's in my pocket. Yeah, this right here. You get one of these little adapters, plug it there, then you can plug it into the wall. Well, you don't need an adapter, just plug this into your computer or any USB port, and you can run this fan on. But let's say you don't have that. That's okay. On the bottom, got batteries. And it comes with batteries. Now these are don't look like your standard AA batteries or nothing like that. These are actually batteries made just for this. Alright, so let's go ahead and put these in. Positive, positive, negative, negative. These are rechargeable batteries. And the way you recharge it, again, plug your little USB adapter here. Make sure you don't get it upside down like I think I got. Okay, now plug it in. And then this goes to your computer or USB adapter. Alright? Let's see if there's any juice to it so far. Yes, it is. Ah, there we go. Very nice. That's coming straight out of the box. Didn't even charge it up. One thing I also like about it, oscillates. Alright. Turn it back off. You can adjust this anyhow you like it. But yeah, just sit down on your desk. Let's turn it there, turn it back on. There you go. Pretty cool. That's just on low setting. Let's turn it up. Very nice. Alright. Now Mom can actually use this on her desk. Or you got a workbench out here. Put it on your workbench. Keep it nice and cool. Not too strong, but not too soft either. Again, it does oscillate back and forth. Very nice. Really like that. It has a speed dial on it. It's not really high, medium, low. It's just, it has little dashes on it where you just turn that dial to the speed you want it at. Let's say the battery died. Can you still use this? Yes, you can. Just plug it in and turn it back on. Alright, so there you go. But I'll leave a link in the description below to where you can go on Amazon and get both of these for yourself. Alright? Very nice company. I'm really liking this. I know I'm going to put this heating pad to great use for myself. Mom's going to love this fan on her desk. So yeah, very good company. I really like it. Alright? Alright, so well, I'm going to use this for a little bit. I'll come back in about another month or two and I'll show you what my final thoughts about these two products are. Alright, well, my name is Shane and this is Shane's Hobby Shop. We'll see you next time.